I was recommended from friends from the UK. Sarah, who lives on Teesside, a friend of ours from home, had used the place and she spoke very positively of the clinic. I went for the home teeth whitening kit, which I used a couple of times when I got home, only for 1 hour periods, and I had fantastic results with no side effects from using them. I was really pleased with the results. Definitely the clinic is very nice, very clean. People here are very helpful, and the home kit is very easy to use. You can use just for 1 hour at a time whilst doing things like taking the dog for a walk or watching TV or whatever, so very easy.
Thank you very much.
Okay.